My name's Steven, and we're going to do a drive belt change on this 2007 Honda Pilot. I got some special tools over here. You notice I'm not wearing any jewelry or got long hair or anything because safety is a main concern over here. So, also got a fender liner here, fender cover for the protection of the car. So, special wrench here. So, just a couple safety items. So, we'll put this on first. I'm going to show you how to take the belt off. So, sometimes these springs get a little crazy. This is the drive belt that needs to be removed. So we just take this special tool here and grab the tensioner and then just pull the belt loose. And there you can see the drive belt's off. Alright. We're going to pull all this off. Very simple, just comes right on. See, we're safety first. Don't make sure the car is disabled, nobody's in it. Got the new belt here. So we'll go ahead and put this new belt on there. Alright, I've started to go ahead and install the new drive belt. Go ahead and fish this on here. Just a matter of finagling it through the pulleys and everything, checking everything. Remember, safety first. Alright. And it's just as simple as that now. Take my special tool here. Run it down there. Put that like that. Take the flashlight and I want to make sure that I got all the grooves. You know, nothing's impeding the belt or anything like that. Alright, now that concludes putting on the drive belt on the 2007 Honda Pilot. And now is the best part is to check and make sure that we've done everything good, we've safe, and now we just check our work. We'll get Steven Rand to start the car for me.
Yep, I got it.
We'll just check it, make sure the belt doesn't jump off or do anything crazy. Another job well done.